Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2021 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with only 5,340 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Reinhardt exhaust, front turn signals, grips, heat shields, wind deflectors, an upgraded seat, rear bumper, vent trim, and windshield trim. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated seats, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, navigation, and reverse. A paragon of premium comfort and brawny power, the TRIGLIDE gives riders the benchmark of the touring class on the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin motor, the TRIGLIDE puts 100 horsepower and 121 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,203 pounds and has a 28.9 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.